Alright guys, it's chill smoke time and I'm hungry. So I'm going to go to McDonald's, I'm going to pick up some french fries, and we're going to throw some chill smoke at them, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back with the bag, and now it's time for chill smoke time. So come over here, and we're going to get to action. Now this is the first time we've done this, so I'm going to take us through this step by step. One time only. All the other episodes you have to come back to this episode, watch this part again. This is a smoke gun. No, it doesn't look like a gun. Could look like a gun. You buy your own. There's all kinds of wood chips. This is the fun part here. You get to pick your flavors. We're going to go with my favorite all-purpose one this time. It's a pecan. Go back. Why are you so close? What's going on? Pecan, pecan. So you take wood chips, you put them in the little chamber right up top. Wait. Right? Plenty. That's plenty. That's fine. That has a little fan going on in there. That's going to push the smoke into what's called the chill tube. This is going to chill out the smoke and push it into your smoking environment. This is important. Smoking environment is key. You have to have a strong, contained environment. That key points here. Number one, contains smoke. Moving on. Today's smoking environment will be a little cloche. So we're going to use this. We're going to put this on fire. It's going to pump the smoke through the chill tube into the cloche, and that's going to chill smoke what you got going on in your smoking environment. Come on. Just leave it there. Just wait. We'll take it and then you taste it with your tongue. I think it's fine now. We're gonna try it. The reveal. It's woody, smoky, and it's flavorful in your nose.
It's a little bit spicy.
A little spicy. Thank you. Here we go. Flavor taste test. McDonald's French fries, pecan smoke this time. Makes a big difference. Spicy a little bit. It really creates a full flavor. Mouthfeel. You, camera person, get fried. What do you say?
Yeah, it adds a more savory element
Yeah.
to the fries.
Definitely classes up the joint a little bit. On McDonald's French fries, I'm gonna have to rate that like sauce out of good. And then you taste it with your tongue.